Heather Morstatter with Magnolia Realty. Thank you for joining me today. Homeownership is one of the best investments that you can make in your financial future. Something that we're going to talk about today is being proactive in the maintenance of your home and making sure that you're continuing to grow that equity. And today, the topic is winter maintenance. Tip number 1, plan ahead by winterizing your exterior plumbing. Remove the garden hose from all exterior faucets, check for any leaks, and install the foam cover over the faucet bib. Point number 2, make sure that you're checking your heating system air filters. If they are dirty, make sure that you're changing them. Dirty furnace filters shorten the life of a furnace and reduce furnace efficiency, causing higher heating bills. Point number 3, make sure that you guys are having your wood-burning fireplaces inspected, cleaned, and repaired to avoid any type of chimney fires or carbon monoxide poisoning. Point number 4, make sure that we winterize our sprinkler systems. Your lines must be drained or blown out before the first hard freeze. Refer to the instructions for your specific sprinkler system or consult a professional. Tip number 5, remember to adjust the spin direction of your fans to rotate clockwise at a low speed to pull cool air up. The gentle updraft pushes warm air down. Thank you for joining me again today, and if you don't mind, please drop a comment below and share.